The crop surfaces command creates one or more crop surfaces in the same drawing as the source surface. Crop surfaces creates new surfaces and does not alter the original surface. The crop surfaces can be used for quantity calculations, to create a smaller surface, for alternative visualization, or for other purposes. If the source surface is updated, the crop surfaces can also be updated. The crop surfaces command is developed and provided by WizDot. To run the crop surfaces command, I first need a 2D or 3D polyline representing the area to be cropped in my drawing. Polyline can be precisely drawn, capturing a specific area, or it can be generally drawn, encompassing a larger area. So I have two polylines here in my drawing. I have one down here capturing an area around a culvert, and I have a larger area encompassing the area around some shots. To run the command, I want to go to the MDT design ribbon, and I want to go over to crop surfaces and click on crop surfaces. First, it's going to ask me to select a surface. This is the surface to be cropped. I'm going to select my existing ground here. Now it asks me for polyline selection option. I have the option to choose individually, or I can choose each polyline individually, and you can choose more than one. Or I could choose by layer, where it will take all the closed polylines on one layer and turn them into boundaries. I'm going to pick individual. I'm going to go ahead and select my polylines. And hit enter. Now it's going to ask me if I want to associate an alignment. This is a specific feature only for WizDot workflows, so we're just going to say no. So it's going to do its thing. You can see it created two surfaces, so I now have three surfaces. I have my original existing surface and the two crop surfaces. These are separate surfaces. You can see that it cut off the surface at the intersection of the boundary and the surface limits, so you don't have to worry about being precise at all times. The surfaces are automatically named. If I go over and look at my surfaces in my prospector, you can see that it named the name of the original surface plus the word cropped. And then it'll add a sequential number behind it for multiple surfaces. If I want to update these surfaces, I can. If the source surface updates, all I have to do is save the drawing and then go ahead and rebuild these surfaces.